The headphone is such a thing that we use almost every day. And nowadays, headphones are the thing that represents your style, personality, and characteristics. Therefore, selecting the right pair of earbuds or headphones matters a lot. While choosing wireless earphones, we usually think about sound quality, bass quality, style, and connectivity. Among many renowned earphone manufacturers, Beats earphones have a specific positioning for its beautiful look and high quality sound. You've got it right. Today, we'll talk about the Powerbeats Pro from Beats.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Powerbeats Pro has got a slick design, and the users love the design of this fantastic pair of earphones. It's made with high quality materials like silicone, rubber, and plastic. Therefore, it provides great comfort, and 3 different sized ear tips ensure that the earphone fits in your ear comfortably. The Powerbeats Pro has got a secure fit ear lock, which makes it lightweight on the ear. It's a fantastic pair of headphones that can be controlled using the buttons on the earphones. The Class 1 Bluetooth wireless connectivity of the earphones is robust, and the earphones are water and sweat resistant. It's an excellent pair of earphones for exercising and working out. The Powerbeats Pro has got the Apple H1 headphone chip, which generates excellent music output. The sound quality of Beats products is top notch. The Powerbeats captures the low end, mid, and high end without a significant drop, and most of the headphone users know about the amazing bass of Beats products. The Powerbeats have got fantastic bass. It's got a long-lasting battery that will last for more than 9 hours. And the battery takes little time to get charged. The charging case provides 3 full charges to the earphones, which means a 24 hours backup. And for 5 minutes charging, you can listen to music for 1.5 hours. We'll now investigate the user reviews to find out what people are talking about this fantastic headphone from Beats. The headphone has got 4.4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 649 buyers, which suggests that it is recommended by many of its users for its sound quality, comfort, waterproof, and bass quality. Here are some real user comments. One customer has given 5 stars and commented, "Great sound, very comfortable. Usually earbuds hurt my ears after I've had them in for an hour or so. These are extremely comfortable, and the sound quality is really good." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "So I already own Beats Studio Wireless, which I mainly use at the gym. The sound on these are really good. A nice amount of bass, and vocals are really clear. I actually think they sound better than my studios as far as clarity, but my studios have more bass, of course." A few users didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "One of the earpieces had debris and a broken shield within the earphone. Had to take it to an Apple store to find out why one is much more quiet than the other." That's all we have on the Powerbeats Pro totally wireless earphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.